Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make stewed pig leg with bamboo and quail eggs.
If you want to learn how to make an easy meal, then click subscribe and the bell icon, and let's do together.
The first we are going to do is cleaning up the pig leg. And then boiling quail eggs before we do other things. Garlic. We use most garlic for our single meal. Garlic contains antioxidants that support the body. Bamboo shoots. Bamboo shoots are a common ingredient in many Asia dishes. They are often boiling first to help remove bitter taste. Bamboo shoots are highly nutritious and contain a good amount of fiber, copper, vitamins B6, and vitamin E in each serving. Quail eggs. A single quail egg provides a significant chunk of your daily vitamin B12. Palm sugar.
Thank you for your value time watching. Please subscribe my channel for latest video. Thank you.